Welcome to Side Hustles and Smart Finance, the channel where we turn ideas into income. From AI hustles to smart finance tips, you'll learn how to build extra income streams and achieve lasting wealth. Because here, we believe AI hustles plus smart finance equals wealth. Hit subscribe and let's grow smarter together. Watch this video till the end. I have a special gift just for you, a free, powerful resource that could be your very first step to building real online income. Don't skip it. It might just change the way you start. Have you ever wondered if it's really possible to make $50 a day just from a simple app on your phone? You scroll through YouTube or TikTok and see endless people bragging about best earning apps, but when you try them yourself, you barely make a few cents. I'm Michael, and today I want to test this for real. We'll ask multiple AIs, Perplexity, Copilot, Gemini, Pi, DeepSeek, Grok, and finally ChatGPT, the same exact question. Which app can actually help you make money AI and reach $50 a day? If you want to cut through the noise and find out which apps are hype and which ones truly belong in the best earning apps list, hit like, share, and subscribe, because what you're about to hear might save you a lot of wasted time. 1. Perplexity AI. Task Bucks. Let's start with Perplexity AI. When asked about making $50 a day, it suggested task bucks. The pitch sounds simple. Take surveys, download apps, complete small tasks, and earn cash or vouchers. I tested TaskBucks for a full week. The reality? Earnings were about $0.20 to $0.30 per day, nowhere near $50. The biggest issue is that surveys often fail or aren't available in your region. And this is where Make Money AI becomes valuable. It teaches us to validate claims. The truth is, TaskBucks is not one of the best earning apps for serious income. It's fine if you're just killing time, but not a real side hustle. 2. Copilot AI, FOAP. Next, Copilot AI gave me something much more interesting, FOAP. This app lets you sell your photos. You upload snapshots from your phone, and if brands or users like them, they buy them, sometimes multiple times. I remember one of my students uploaded everyday photos, coffee, a desk setup, city streets, and made over $120 in her first month. That's where Make Money AI shines. You can even use AI to brainstorm photo ideas or caption text, making the process faster. FOAP has potential, and with patience and creativity, it could definitely sit on the best earning apps list. 3. Gemini AI, Google Opinion Rewards. Then there's Gemini AI, which suggested Google Opinion Rewards. This is Google's official survey app. You get short surveys, 30 seconds to 1 minute, and earn small amounts, usually between $0.10 and $1. It's trustworthy, no doubt. But here's the problem. Surveys don't show up consistently. In some areas, you might see almost none at all, which means making $50 a day is unrealistic. This is a perfect example. Even when the app is legit, it doesn't necessarily make the cut as one of the best earning apps. With Make Money AI, we filter out hype and understand reality. Google Opinion Rewards is nice pocket money, but not a sustainable plan. 4. Pi AI, Current Rewards. Moving on, Pi AI suggested something different. Current Rewards, also called Mode Earn App. The concept is simple. You listen to music, play games, browse the web, and earn points you can cash out. I personally tried letting it run while working, and after a week, I made about $4. Not bad, but still far from $50 a day. The upside is that it's effortless. You're earning while doing something you already do. Combine it with other features like surveys or games, and you can increase earnings. For Make Money AI seekers, this shows that sometimes the best earning apps are the ones you can passively stack. Not flashy, but steady. 5. DeepSeek AI, Maze. Then came DeepSeek AI. When I asked about apps to make $50 a day, it confidently suggested an app called Maze. But here's the twist. When I searched on Google Play, nothing showed up. When I asked again, DeepSeek even gave me a fake link. This was a reminder. AI can hallucinate. If you just follow blindly, you'll waste time chasing something that doesn't exist. That's why I keep stressing. Make Money AI works only when you question, verify, and test. Maze doesn't exist, and it's definitely not one of the best earning apps. The lesson? Not every AI answer is actionable. 6. Grok AI, Razdan. Next is Grok AI, famous for being bold and controversial. It recommended Razdan, an app popular in India. You can earn by reading news, playing games, and inviting friends. I tried it, and yes, the app exists, but the reality? Earnings are painfully low. The app is stuffed with ads, and you need to hit a high withdrawal threshold before cashing out. Friends of mine in India told me it took months to reach the minimum payout. Razdan is loud, but it doesn't truly belong in the best earning apps category, especially if your goal is $50 a day. Again, Make Money AI helps us separate hype from results. 7. ChatGPT, Misho, Rapido, Zomato, Fiverr, Upwork. Finally, we arrive at ChatGPT, and this is where things got really interesting. Instead of naming one app, ChatGPT gave 3 practical options. Misho, a reselling app where you buy low and sell high, similar to dropshipping. Rapido e Zomato, delivery jobs for those with a bike or scooter, realistic for making $50 a day in urban areas. Fiverr e Upwork, freelancing platforms where you sell skills like writing, design, or programming. I respect this answer because it's realistic. These aren't get-rich-quick gimmicks. They're legitimate best-earning apps if you're willing to put in effort. I had a student who used Make Money AI to craft a Fiverr profile, and his very first project brought in $75. That's proof that AI isn't just about shortcuts. It's about using tools smartly to amplify your skills. So, is there really an app that will hand you $50 a day effortlessly? The answer is no magic app exists, but here's the truth. Make Money AI helps you test, filter, and find the best earning apps that actually fit your life. From TaskBucks, FOAP, Google Opinion Rewards, and Current Rewards to Maze, Razdan, and finally Misho, Rapido, and Fiverr, each one teaches us something. Some apps only generate pocket change, while others can become the foundation of a real side hustle. The takeaway is simple. Don't chase hype. Pick one path, verify it, and build consistently. That's how you make money AI in the real world. So let me ask you, if you had to start this week, which app would you try first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if this video brought you value, hit like, share, and subscribe, because your journey with Make Money AI and finding the best earning apps is just beginning, and your success story could be next. Download your free gift. Start smart, start right. Want to make money online, but don't know where to begin? Get this free ebook, From Zero to an Automated Money-Making Machine. It shows you how to understand affiliate marketing, no product needed, pick the right offers. Even as a complete beginner, build a simple system that sells 24/7. No ads, no tech, no overwhelm. Focus on mindset, action, results. With this guide, many people earn their first commission in just 7 days. You might doubt yourself, others might not believe in you, but once you see your first result, everything changes. Download it now and take your first step toward time freedom. If this video sparked something in you, a small glimpse of hope, a flicker of inspiration, or even just a quiet thought, maybe I could try this too. Then don't let it pass you by, not like all the other times. Hit that subscribe button so I can keep walking alongside you on this journey. I still have so much more to share, real stories, honest strategies, and practical steps that could help you move forward just a little more every single day. Leave me a comment. Tell me, where are you right now in your journey? I read every single one, truly. And if you feel this content is worth sharing, give it a like and send this video to a friend who might be searching for the same answers you are. Want a solid place to start? Don't skip this exclusive MMO guide I've personally curated and tested, not just for myself, but alongside hundreds of students who've seen real results. This 5-part resource is battle tested, no fluff, just action. Part 1, free gift hacks. Start your MMO journey with zero cost. Discover how to get free gifts and vouchers in just a few simple steps. Part 2, simple side hustles. Make money from your phone. Try flexible jobs like writing reviews, customer support, or posting on social media. Part 3, foundations of affiliate marketing. Step-by-step training to build your first system. Perfect for beginners who want to start right. Part 4, easy wins with tools and AI. Kickstart with optimized tools and AI tech for faster results. No complex skills needed. Part 5, advanced systems for long-term income. For those ready to go serious, learn how to scale, build products, and market like a pro. This is your actionable, step-by-step guide, ready for you to dive in right after this video. These are proven learning paths, so you don't have to wander, don't have to fail the way I once did. You'll learn how to build a real system, create passive income online, even while you sleep, and most importantly, how to start without getting overwhelmed. Scan the QR code on the screen to download the guide, 100% free, no email required, or click the link below in the video description. It's right there, waiting to help you start a brand new chapter. I believe in you. You can do this. Just start today. See you in the next video or somewhere along your journey to freedom.